The news in detail. Prime Minister and senior BJP leader Narendra Modi has said that there is exceptional fervour in favour of the NDA in southern states. Addressing an election rally at Jagtial in Telangana today, Mr. Modi said BJP stands committed to fulfill the aspirations of the people of Telangana. He said the record affection at the Jagtial rally is a clear indication of which way the wind is blowing. Prime Minister criticized Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for his remarks insulting Shakti and said the spot on the moon where Chandrayaan-3's lander Vikram touched down has been named as Shiv Shakti Point. Mr. Modi accused the India alliance of insulting the people of Telangana.
बहुत जरूरी है कि कर्नाटका की लोकसभा की हर सीट पर बीजेपी एनडीए को विजय मिले। बीजेपी एनडीए के सांसद कर्नाटका के लोगों की सेवा के लिए काम करेंगे, यहां केंद्र की योजनाओं को अच्छी तरह से लागू करने में मदद करेंगे। साथियों, कल मुंबई में शिवाजी मैदान में इंडिया अलायंस की तरफ से एक खुला ऐलान
The election